Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about something really interesting, and that's if you can use Monday.com as a CRM. Now Monday.com is an amazing project management tool which is really quick, effective. I really like how beautiful it is, if I can say it like that. I love the views and the simplicity of the whole Monday.com. I'm also creating videos with Monday.com and ClickUp and others, and I must say the Monday.com is completely dominating ClickUp in a way how fast it is. And right now, I didn't want to talk to you about that, but I just want to give you the insight how Monday.com is good for project management. But now comes the question about the CRM and if you can use it as a CRM. In my opinion, yes, you can. But if you're gonna have a lot of deals, if you're gonna have a lot of contacts, like let's say a lot of them, you can get really consumed if you don't know how to use like Monday.com well. So let's say that yes, you can filter it by name, by people. You can search. So let's say I'm going to have only like medicine, and I will have only the contacts here. But maybe you're missing some functions here that you would like see in a pipe drive or in other CRM, because yes, you can have the deals here, which is pretty great. Active deals, then you have the stages here. So I'm going to show you how it works with Monday.com. First thing first, you're gonna have accounts. With accounts, you can simply add a client. You can add account here. So let's say it's going to be Sun V1. I already have the client, but I can choose a client. I can have the contacts here, deals, the account value that I can add, the industry, the email. Now, when you have the accounts, you can easily create a contact. So let's say I'm going to have a Marcus San V, which is going to be my qualified lead, let's say. I can simply choose the company, which is pretty great. But again, maybe you won't like this. I always say that you should choose a CRM based how you feel with the CRM. Let it be effective, but how do you like working in that? So Monday.com, you can test it out. You will have a link down below in the description that you can like test the waters if you like it. I created the whole tutorial how you can use the templates with CRM by going to top left, click add, choose from template. Then you would go to sales and CRM, and simply you would choose the CRM here, or real estate CRM if you are real estate CRM. And when you have the accounts, I want to also show you the deals here. But you have a phone, you have an email, you can change the company, deals value, and you can really operate with it as you would operate with the project management. Now, when I would come here, I can simply click on the deals, and in the deals, I can add an active deal. So let's say YouTube channel selling, right? I can simply add a stage, which is going to be lead, proposal, negotiation, contracts, and won lost. So let's say proposal, contact. I can choose like contact here or here, or let's say the contact that we have. We have directly also connected with contacts and accounts. Priority, let's say medium. Deal length, we don't have it yet, but we'll get to it. Close date, let's say for 20. Deal value, let's say it's going to be 10,000. Close probability, let's say 50%. And these are the like forecast value. Then you have a close date. Actual deal value, and you can add it here, right? And you see also the deal length here and everything. Now, then you can also see the dependent on contacts that you can have. I created a tutorial on that too. I just want to show you how it works. Now, when you have the main table, you can also choose Kanban and have it here. So let's say there is going to be a deal name 1 or YouTube channel selling, and I can have it as a lead. In a moment when I would choose between lead here to negotiation or contract sent, let's say negotiation, and I would go back to the main table. I can simply choose here and again go with contract sent. But let's say that you want to have also better emails. I don't know if Monday.com even offers the better emailing and everything as it is with others like Pipedrive. So that's something really to think about. You need to really test which one you like. And this is the Mondaycom CRM. That is, you can try for free. And then you're gonna have the template boards here and automations. So this is another thing what you can do. Just come and feel it. My recommendation is okay if you want to also combine with project management, and if you want to have it, how would I call it? Oh, here's the workspace CRM. See? If it's also, this is really the same thing that we were just creating. So this is another way how you can use it. And you can have it directly as a workspace CRM. So again, that's how you can do it. And I can work management, and you can really choose. Now, deal management, sales forecasting. You have statistics here. Sales dashboard and reporting. That's another thing what you can have. And then you can also integrate it with, let's say, Gmail, MailChimp, Facebook ads, SurveyMonkey, Salesforce. Now, when I go back, I can simply see the forecast here, right? Then you can find also the leads here. So this is something that you can add, and this is how you can like change it and how we can work with it. So that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you can have any questions or your own opinion about CRM in Monday.com, let me down below in the comments. It's good if you like working in it. Combined with the application mobile, you can really play around it and figure out how can it be effective with you. But it's going to take a little bit of work. Maybe you would like more using HubSpot. Maybe. That's like up to you. I don't know you. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.